Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming barkada. You only need 3 solid friends. Una, you need a truth teller. Yung tropa na hindi takot magsabi sa'yo ng totoo. Yung kayang i-call out ka kapag may mali ka. Hindi yung oo lang ng oo, kundi yung kayang magpaalala sa'yo. Brother, sister, kapatid, hindi ka ganyan dati. Balik tayo sa goal natin. Hard to hear, minsan masakit, pero kailangan mo ng ganun. Because we all need someone who keeps us grounded. Pangalawa, you need a confidant. Yung taong kahit anong sikreto mo, pwede mong ibuhos. Walang judgment, walang chismis, safe space lang. Hindi lang sila basta nakikinig. They counsel you. Hindi lang sila, I support you, friend. They tell you what you need to hear with love. Alam mong kahit gaano kabigat, kaya mong i-share at kaya nilang dalhin with care and security. Pangatlo, you need a ride or die. Yung tipong 3 a.m., tatawagan mo at sasabihin mo, bro, friend, kapatid, kailangan kita. At sagot lang nila, on the way. No questions, no hesitation, just pure presence. Yung kaibigan na hindi mo na kailangang ipaliwanag ang lahat, they just show up no matter what. Yan ang klase ng kaibigang hindi mo lang basta makikita. And if you have that, you are already richer than most.